The government's recent decision to introduce multiple reforms to create a paradigm change in the coal and mining sector of the country could go a long way in ridding the sector from shackles of stagnant policies and reductant operational protocols. The introduction of National Mineral Index is expected not only to make the mining sector more competitive, but also it could adopt the strong suits of the National Coal Index, capturing details from all price sources such as captive and non-captive minings, etc. This methodology, just as in coal, will reflect the true and useful value of the minerals and will boost the attractiveness of Indian mining sector. Stay tuned for more updates. A just and uniform system for development of the National Mineral Index for all minerals can go a long way in ensuring a competitive mining sector, inviting healthy competition in auctions and active participation by smaller mining companies. In a letter to Niti Aayog, the CII National Committee on Mining aired similar thoughts by mentioning that according to a recent CII study, a 1% increase in growth rate of mining leads to a simultaneous increase of 1.2 to 1.4% industrial production growth momentum. Being a labor-intensive sector, the current pandemic predicament may open employment avenues for the people, and the sector could be a key to extract maximum dividend from India's large demographic spectrum. The decision to open the coal sector for commercial mining, along with the implementation of National Coal Index and commencement of the auction process of commercial coal blocks, can transfer the mining sector. It can help the country save around 80,000 crore per year on account of coal import by augmenting production in the country. In addition, the auctions are likely to generate a healthy revenue system and create multiple livelihood opportunities. Mining sector can benefit from timely implementation of the already announced mining sector reforms. This includes introduction of single-stage seamless auction of exploring mining production regime, which is key to attracting best-in-class technology providers from around the globe for partnering and investing in India, with a surety of getting the right to produce once the discovery is established. As a subset of the mining sector, the production and demand of aluminium are major concern today. Currently, India meets 60% of its domestic aluminium demand from imports, even when the domestic production capacity of 4.1 million ton is over and above the national requirement of 4 million ton. This can be revamped by improving competitiveness of domestic aluminium manufacturers. To supplement this optimistic outcomes, a single-stage seamless composite exploration and mining production regime, according to the CII Committee of Mining, will transform the stagnant exploration sector. For example, a competitive domestic aluminium sector will save annual forex outgo of Rs 40,000 crore as an added advantage. It will have the potential to attract fresh investment of Rs 1.8 lakh crores into the growing aluminium sector, where demand is expected to double to 8 to 10 million ton in next 5 years. Doing away with the current segment of captive and non-captive regimes for commercial mining will render mineral blocks auctions more attractive and competitive, thereby lending further transparency to the system. This measure will help in resolving difficulties faced by miners and states in the auction of limestone and bauxite blocks, resolve concerns for royalty on royalty as done in coal index, where prices considered are independent of royalty and other taxes. It also shall provide a benchmark solution to current ambiguities in the average sale price system and prevent illegal mining. Acknowledging the nature and consumption of India-grade coal, which is different from the global consumption pattern, the National Coal Index has refrained from linking it to the international indices, a prudent step to avoid unnecessary price fluctuation. A similar scope can be leveraged with mining reforms. The mining sector is poised to play a crucial role in revival of the economy. The changing market scenario and operations dynamics require extensive mining reforms to overcome this situation and turbocharge the economy. The National Coal Index has brought much needed transparency and efficiency to coal mining. The CII committee said that it is high time to introduce National Mineral Index for expeditious implementation of mining reforms and accelerated unlocking of the nation's mining potential, which is vital to make India self-reliant. As the news of National Mineral Index broke, Coal India shares plunged 0.12%, while mineral and metal majors such as Hindustan Zinc, SAIL, JSW Steel, and Hindalco saw their shares move up. Industry stakeholders rallied against stocks as market dynamics are expected to take a turn for the better as the new norms are implemented.